What's the meaning of beluga caviar? Beluga caviar. Beluga caviar.
Beluga caviar. Beluga caviar. Beluga caviar is a type of luxury food known for its exquisite taste and high price tag. It is made from the eggs of the beluga sturgeon, one of the largest fish in the world that can live up to 100 years. Beluga sturgeons are native to the Caspian Sea and are now considered an endangered species due to overfishing and pollution. The taste of beluga caviar is often described as creamy and buttery with a delicate texture that melts in your mouth. It is usually served as a delicacy at high-end restaurants and eaten with a small spoon to savor its unique flavor.